is on fire for you. Where did you go?
Good morning, guys. Beautiful little drive here in Savannah, Georgia. I'm currently headed to class, 8 a.m. class. So I have not bodyboarded in a while, and I'm craving it. Yeah, we could have some waves this evening around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I'm kind of just gonna take you guys with me, day in the life as a college student and also a bodyboarder in Georgia, and we'll see what happens. A little coffee in the car, pretty low in gas, not ideal. Ghost tour. It's funny, but there's a lot of ghost tours in Savannah. The city takes pride in being haunted. You guys believe there are ghosts in Savannah? Look at this. Back it up, honey. Back it up. Let the man through. Getting closer. All right. Quick view of the river down there and the Goose Island truck. All right, so just made it to class. Repping 662 today. Shout out 662. You guys rock. So what's really sick about SCAD is the campus is actually spread throughout the city. So all the buildings are throughout the city. So I'm actually down by the River Street. That's where my building is. I'll catch you guys after class. That is a wrap. Done with class for today. Feels great. As I'm actually a grad student, this is my 5th year at school. I had one more year of eligibility to play golf, so I decided to stay here an extra year. And as a grad student, I only need to take 2 classes to be considered full-time. So I have 1 class per day, and they're 2.5 hours each. So I just had 8 to 10:30 class, and now we are headed to golf practice.
It opens his hips more.
Woo, guys, it is hot. Guys, just got done golf practice. The required parts of my day are done. Class is done, golf practice is done, so I'm a free man now. And I think we're gonna go try to bodyboard. Hey, which board do we want? I think we want the new one. Go. Yes, sir. But my girlfriend has been drinking iced coffee with creamer, and I can't lie to you guys, it feels like summer out today. There's the toaster. So I feel like I gotta try one of her coffees. Healthy diet right there. Where's her creamer? Here it is. Chobani oat. I have no clue how this is gonna taste. I feel like that's a lot. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I might have put a little too much. Tastes a little bit more like creamer than coffee. And a quick peanut butter and toast. Cheers, guys. I think it's really important. Make sure you eat before you go bodyboard, or at least feel like you have enough energy in your body to bodyboard. One of the worst things is when you're out there and underperforming because your body doesn't have enough energy because you didn't eat. So make sure you have energy. Well, so back there it said road work ahead, 15-minute delay. This line has not moved an inch. 15-minute delay. I would pray to get through this in 15 minutes. Oh, right as I say that, we're moving. Okay. Oh, shit. We might be through 2 minutes after I was ranting about this. Also, look at the view. Look at that. Whole line of cars. The only downfall to this super scenic road is that it's just one lane each way, and it's the only road out to the island. So if like an accident or any type of flooding happens, it can be hours until the roads open back up. I've definitely missed some surf due to the road being closed. Most of the time though, it's a straight shot out, 25 minutes, and super scenic. Okay guys, we just made it. About to go into the parking lot. Usually the parking lot is a sign of how good it is based on how many surfers are here. But I'll be honest guys, I think I'll probably be the only one out today. Surf reaction, you know how we do it. Oh, it's small. Oh, damn. A little something. Not the most promising surf check, can't lie. Not quite what I expected. The report said 3 feet, and this is definitely not 3 feet, but the reality is I am just stoked to even be able to get to go bodyboard. Been dying to bodyboard, plus it's super nice out. These conditions are not good, but I said this in a previous video, which I'll link here. I love practicing in these conditions, and if there's something I want to show on this channel to any other bodyboarder that maybe lives in an area where the waves are smaller, you can go have a lot of fun in this type of surf. You can go improve in this surf. It is what you make it. So that's something I want to stand for on this channel. You can enjoy the small waves, and we're about to go do that. We're going to suit up, switch to GoPro, and go try to make the most of it. The GoPro now. Oh. Probably should have worn gloves, I cannot lie. But nah, it should be a little bit. I'm good. That was almost such a good wave. Just a little late on that second barrel roll. I'm inevitably drifting towards the pier. Maybe we'll end up riding next to the pier. that's a wrap. 6 o'clock. Well, guys, I had a lot of fun. Riding by the pier was a shit ton of fun. We kind of just started off winging it, and then got a few nice rides on the left side of the pier. Tried to shoot the pier a couple times. Tried to do an ARS. I don't know if that clip made the edit, but I'll drop the clip here. Another thing that was pretty sick was I tried to do a little drop knee. Sadly, kind of dissed my pride board for drop knee in the review, and then it ended up feeling pretty good today on drop knee. So maybe down the road I'll take that comment back. Today was kind of one of those days you just make the most of it. There really wasn't much pulse in the waves, but still had some fun, still had some good rides. So yeah, that's my recap. Also, guys, our subscriber shout out for this video is going to be Anas from Agadir, Morocco. Anas, thanks for showing me some love. Thanks for the support. Glad you're enjoying the videos, and I hope you're catching some waves over in Morocco. Yeah.